Eggplant, that shiny purple icon sitting proudly in kitchens all around the world. Some call it a vegetable, but botanically, it's a berry. From smoky barber ganoush to Italian parmigiana, this fruit has earned its place in countless cuisines. Elegant, bold, and surprisingly complex, eggplant is far more than meets the eye. Let's dive into everything you should know about this royal member of the Nightshade family. Eggplant, Solanum melangina, also known as aubergine in British English, is a plant species in the Nightshade family, Solanaceae, grown for its often purple edible fruit. The spongy, absorbent fruit is used in several cuisines. Typically used as a vegetable in cooking, it is a berry by botanical definition. As a member of the genus Solanum, it is related to the tomato, chili pepper, and potato. Like the tomato, its skin and seeds can be eaten, but, like the potato, it is not advisable to eat it raw. The plant species is believed to have originated in India, where it continues to grow wild. It has been cultivated in southern and eastern Asia since prehistory. The first known written record of the plant is found in Qimin Yao Shu, an ancient Chinese agricultural treatise completed in 544 CE. It was introduced into the Mediterranean area by Arabs in the early Middle Ages, and by the 16th century, it was well established throughout Europe. The English word eggplant was first recorded in 1763, and the name refers to the white, egg-shaped varieties of the fruit. The name aubergine comes from the French adaptation of the Arabic word al-badinjan, which itself came from the Persian badingan, from the Sanskrit vatingana. Varieties and appearance. Eggplants come in a wide range of shapes, sizes, and colors. The most common in Western countries is the large, dark purple, oval-shaped variety, but in Asia, you can find slender, long, green, white, or even striped cultivars. In Thailand, small round varieties are common, while in Japan, the Nasu variety is prized for its tenderness and flavor. Nutritional and health benefits. Eggplants are low in calories but rich in fiber and essential nutrients. They provide vitamin B1, thiamine, vitamin B6, vitamin K, copper, manganese, folate, and potassium. They also contain powerful antioxidants, particularly niacin, found in the skin, which is known to protect brain cell membranes from oxidative stress. Studies have suggested potential benefits for heart health, blood sugar regulation, and anti-inflammatory effects. Culinary uses around the world. Eggplants are beloved across cuisines: Mediterranean, used in moussaka, ratatouille, imam bayildi, and eggplant parmesan. Middle East, mashed and mixed with tahini for barber ganoush or roasted in olive oil. India, essential for dishes like baingan bata and bawa baingan. China and Japan, stir-fried, steamed, or grilled with soy-based sauces. Italy, featured in melanzane alla parmigiana and pasta dishes. Due to its porous texture, eggplant absorbs flavors and oils exceptionally well, which makes it versatile but also easy to overcook if not handled properly. Cultural symbolism and history. In Japan, dreaming of an eggplant on New Year's Day is considered lucky, Hatsume. In ancient Europe, however, it was feared to cause insanity, hence nicknames like Mad Apple or Raging Apple. Today, it's a global symbol of creativity and bold taste.